going to show you what happened when you hire the cheapest guy to install a ceiling fan. I mean, ceiling fans usually is easy to install, but if you don't know, you don't know, and then you're going to have issues later. So here I'm going to show you what happened. A customer called me saying, hey, my ceiling fan is hanging from the wire. So as you can see, he sent me some pictures, and as you can see here, it's just, this is the power line that is using the ceiling fan in order to run, but as you can see, it came apart. So I'm going to show you why it happened and why, if you hire, the wrong people, you may have an issue like this, or you may die, because I mean, this is in the master bedroom. And here I'm going to show you same thing. Another customer had a similar situation. So what happened when you don't have, the right electrical box, holding the ceiling fan, everything will fall. So that is normal. And imagine if you're here sleeping and suddenly, you wake up with this, or you just die because, the ceiling fan fell on you. But that happens. So here with my helper, as you can see, we just put it back. The first one I was showing you, the one that was hanging from the power line, the little wire that you see here. And we just fix it. So I'm going to show you what happens. So basically, when you install a ceiling fan, you have to run the pin, through this circle thing that you see here. This is what is going to keep the ceiling fan in place. And if you don't install this pin properly, or you don't install it at all, I mean, this will come undone over time, because it's going to start, spinning, and you're going to have issues.
Okay, just in case if you never saw how a ceiling fan was installed, so I'm going to show you. For instance, here you have the beam, and you have just a regular electrical box. As you can see, you have a few nails here, but in most of these electrical boxes, they may not be rated for a ceiling fan, so it may fall over time. So as you can see here, you have a ceiling fan electrical box. So this is made and is rated for these type of things. So once you install it, because maybe you have just a plastic one that is just meant to be used with the light fixture, and that's it. But if you have the wrong electrical box, the ceiling fan may fall over time. Basically, once you have installed it, so we replace the one that you have with the right one, you should be good, and you should not have any issues later. So as you can see, this is how it's installed. This is the bracket that comes with the ceiling fan. So basically, you're going to hang the ceiling fan. The ball that I was showing you, this ball is going in this place. But if you don't have the pin like I showed you before, you're going to have issues, and it will fall later. Maybe not this month, maybe not the next month, maybe in 6 months, maybe next year or something like that. Sooner or later it will fall. So this is how it goes. You have to have the bracket, you have to have the pin. Once everything is in place, you should be good, but you have to have the right electrical box in order to avoid accidents.
So here we just fix it, and here another picture. So as you can see, the same room, we have to move the bed, and because otherwise I couldn't put the ladder. And as you can see here, everything is good once again, and the customer is not going to have this issue ever again, because everything now is done properly. So now I'm going to show you here in internet, in Amazon, so that way you can see. So when you have to install a ceiling fan, you have to make sure that you have the right electrical box, otherwise it may fall, like I just show you in the first picture here, as you can see here. So in this case, the wire didn't hold the ceiling fan in place, so it just fell, because they didn't have the electrical box, the proper electrical box. And here, as you can see here, if you go here, if you usually inside of the electrical box, it should say that is rated for ceiling fans. And here I'm going to show you a few pictures. As you can see, it has a bracket. It says it will hold up to 50 pounds ceiling fans, or a light fixture up to 75 pounds heavy duty. So make sure always you have the right product for the right installation. And here I have another one. For instance, if you want to install a ceiling fan, maybe you don't have the electrical box, this is another option. This goes between the joist, as you can see here, and we have the rating. It says retro brace ceiling fan rated. Make sure always read, the instructions very, very easy before you buy anything or before you install anything. And I think I have another one. Okay, people are happy, saying, okay, sturdy, better than advertised. You're not going to have issues if you do these type of things. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need tools or electronics, just let me know in the section below, and see you in the next class.